Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add add-ons on Stremio. Whether you're using the mobile app or browser, the interface is almost the same, so don't worry, just follow along. Once you open Stremio, go to the sidebar and tap on add-ons. You'll see two types, official add-ons and community add-ons. Now here's an important thing to remember. I highly recommend sticking with the official add-ons. These are completely safe, legal, and won't harm your device or steal your data. They're reviewed and approved by the Stremio team, so you can use them with confidence. Community add-ons, on the other hand, can be risky. Some of them are not legal, and others could pose security risks. I'm not going to recommend specific community add-ons here because I don't want to encourage anything that could get you into trouble. If you really want to use them, make sure you do your own research and verify they're safe and legal in your country. Now let's look at a few good official options. One popular add-on is Finity, which acts like a catalog and pulls content info from platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and HBO. Keeps everything in one place so you can easily browse and track what you want to watch. Another great one is Open Subtitles, which gives you access to subtitles in tons of different languages for your favorite movies and shows. To install an add-on, all you need to do is click on it, then hit the install button. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.